I'm Kim O'Donnell, and I'm going to show you how to roll out galette dough. My dough has just come out of the refrigerator, and I have a little bit of a dusting of flour. I'm going to put a little bit on top, and I always like to have flour at the ready to dust my rolling pin. Okay, I'm letting the dough know that it's there. That I'm here, I mean. Who's boss? All right, 2 hands on the rolling pin, starting from the center, doing quick, even strokes, north, south, east, west, rotating a quarter turn each time. We are looking for about a 10-inch circle, or as close as we can get. And don't be afraid to use force. And as your circle gets larger, this dough scraper is quite handy to help you lift your dough. What I'm doing is always going from the center out to make it as even as possible. And once we start getting close to that 10-inch sort of benchmark, and here is my handy dandy kitchen ruler, that's about 10 inches. Then I start working on the edges. We're looking for something about a 1/4 inch thick. Don't fret if it's not perfect. This is supposed to be fun after all. All right. Now we're going to transfer our rolled out dough to a sheet pan that's been lined with parchment paper. And you can use a Silpat as well, whatever you've got, but you do want to be able to transfer this to something. So with my dough scraper, I'm going to lift the dough and drape it ever so carefully. You can even fold it a second time and lay it out on my pan. You will have an opportunity to fix it if you need, even with the work of your fingers. And now, in the next step, we'll show you how to fill and assemble.